Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to do a couple of things. I got a new tool, or I should say a couple, so I'm going to start with the first thing. First thing I got was this. It's a little impact from TZ Tool. Okay, it's the TZ500, and it says made in Taiwan, and it looks spec-wise, size-wise, everything looks just like the Astro Nano. And what I wanted to show you was that it came in this nice little case. Okay, I've removed majority of the sockets, at least the metric ones that I want to use, and then I put the case back to get, put it in storage. But I don't need it, I'm going to store it. But if you look inside, it comes with a complete set of metric and standard sockets. You can tell my standard socket's still here. An adapter for the 1/2 inch to 3/8 for the little ones here. Okay, and comes with this nice little swivel, and looks to be a pinless swivel. Well, nice addition. Oh, okay. And then the comparison of the socket. Here is your standard 21 mil. That's a Harbor Freight socket. And here's their socket that came with it. Here's their 21 mil. And as you can tell, there is quite a bit height difference. It doesn't say, and you can tell that's well used. It doesn't say where they're made, but I'm thinking it might be made in. I hope it's made in Taiwan. But it doesn't say. But it does come with a complete set, all the way up to 24 mils. And so I figured, hey, that's a pretty good deal, I guess. And it goes all the way up to 1 inch on the standard sizes. So that's a good one. So if you need a complete set, hey, here you go. With all the little adapters and everything, this may be your ticket, and that may be the way to go for you. Okay, but yeah, I mean, if you were to buy everything, the whole thing on sale, it was on sale at the time, it was $99. So I thought, hey, that's a pretty good deal for all that. I put the new Milton fitting on it. It runs great. And I'm just going to break it in, hopefully. The other thing that I got, which is kind of interesting, is this. Okay. I wanted a new mini air ratchet for a while, and I've been seeing a lot of people using the SP Air, and this is their 3/8 inch impact ratchet. And the thing I liked about this one, I think the model number on this is the 7265 RP SP. Let me check. Okay, yeah, it's the 7265 RP SP Air. All right. The thing I like is because the head is sealed, it's small, but namely that the directional change is right here. So in case you're inside something, in a tight area working, you're not going to get that squished in there. And the curiosity is there's a new version. There's a version 2 out, and these were both on Amazon. Actually, I bought them almost at the same time. This one says old, and the other one says new, I guess. But I thought I was going to end up with getting a new old tool, but it was actually a brand new tool. It still says made in Japan, and the specs on this are very similar or almost identical to the new version. The only difference is this is the old version, and they have a newer version. The newer version is $260. This one, from the seller, was $79. So I figured, hey, I took a chance, and I got a brand new tool. It came brand new in the box. Works great, looks, no scratches on it, and so for $79, I'll give it a whirl and give it a chance. So basically, that's the tool review that I picked up for a couple things to add to the shop. Again, as always, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching another video, and have a great day. Take care now, all.